not windy, and you guys can't hear all that wind because my helmet is a little bit noisy. But anyways, welcome to my channel. Name is MR12, and been a tough couple weeks. I've been trying to put up some videos, and like this shit ain't working. It's just broke, man. But I'm on my way to work right now. So the first video I tried to put up, it was it was my first time driving on the highway, and I wanted to record it and let you guys see what my first experience, because this is my first time riding a motorcycle, but I mean, I never driven on the highway, so I wanted to record that experience with you and put it up for you guys, but I don't know, some shit happened with that, and then I had a group ride with a couple guys the week after, and I brought my camera, and so we were getting ready. I meet them up at the meetup point, and I didn't put my camera on at that moment. So when we're all getting ready to go, I take out my camera and I'm trying to set it up and everything. I put it on my helmet and shit, and then I'm like, I noticed that it's not recording, and I'm like, the fuck, why is it not recording? So I look at it, and it's like no SD card. So there goes another failed attempt. I forgot the damn SD card in the computer, so I was trying to edit the other video. And then third time, I recorded myself, and I got to work, another ride to work, and I got there, and the damn thing wasn't recording, so I talked to myself for like a half hour, and didn't record shit. And after that, I met up with my uncle, and we weren't going for a ride or anything. We were just going to meet up, just have like a drink, and I didn't decide to bring my camera. I'm like, nah, I don't need to bring my camera. We're not going for a ride. We're just gonna have a drink. So he's like, hey, let's go for a ride. And I'm like, what the fuck? And when I mean drink, I don't mean alcohol. We just have a coffee shop. So he's like, yeah, hey, let's go for a ride. And I'm like, fuck, of course. I didn't bring my camera. So that would have been like a perfect time to record, because we ended up getting lost in the woods. I mean, it did have some nice roads there, but we ended up getting lost. It was a fun ride though, and I froze my ass off. Thank God I went on that ride, because it's getting a little colder now in the morning here, where I live, and I was freezing. I was shaking, and so today I came prepared. I put on some long sleeve shirts. Usually I just wear a t-shirt under my jacket, but I put on a long sleeve shirt, so I'm good right now. But anyways, hopefully, I hope I'm recording myself right now. I double checked that, and hopefully I don't have any problems with uploading the video to YouTube like the first video. But anyways, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Like I said, my name is MR12. I'm from Connecticut. So I'm new to motorcycles, as you heard me say before. I got this is actually my first bike. The first bike I ever ridden, besides a bike at the MSF course. I just picked this bike. It's the 2015 CBR 300R, and I picked it up on I've had it for like almost a month now. I picked it up at the end of August, so I mean I've been riding it. I got like 378 miles on it right now. So I mean I've been taking this thing out as much as I can before the season's over. I know I kind of got it at the end. else. And it's just really cool. What's this guy gonna walk on the highway? So I like the bike. It has like a really good pick me up. You can feel it in the bike. So what I know Honda, they had the 250, the CBR 250, and what they did was, I think all they did was just change something with the torque or whatever, and it gave him that extra cc. I don't know how much extra or how much of a difference. I think this is 30% more power or something. I'm not exactly sure, but it did increase the torque. It is a single something. I don't know. I still don't know my term as far as motorcycling, but I do know the Ninja 300 is dual. A twin engine, yes, twin engine. Sorry guys. Ugh, I gotta open up my helmet because it's getting a little foggy in there. People over here, they're probably like, look at this guy in the helmet, because I don't think anybody rides with a camera on their helmet over here. That shit will get jacked off. Not jacked off as in jacking off, but it'll probably get taken off here. Robbed your ass with a helmet. Not me though, not me. Everybody knows me here. No, I'm just joking. Nobody knows me. If it was in my car, probably because I'm like the only car driving around here, the same spot every day. So probably everybody knows me about my car. Nobody knows me when I'm on the bike. McDonald's. Yeah. Big Mac and Fish 244. Yeah, I remember I used to go to McDonald's all the time when I was a little kid. This is like the best place ever. But I don't eat that stuff anymore. But I do eat the chicken McNuggets. The chicken McNuggets when they have the 20-piece for $5, which is something like that. I don't know, 30 or whatever. One time I got like 40 chicken McNuggets. It was like 10 o'clock at night. Wow, just eat that shit. So good. Yeah. I gotta do something about this helmet, man. I gotta either stop breathing or figure out how all of this the blast over here is gonna get out. I don't know. Face screen. But yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more videos this weekend. What's today? Wednesday. I'll probably put this video up tomorrow, Thursday. And I will, hopefully tomorrow, if I recorded this and it's recording, and YouTube uploads my damn video. But I'm gonna put up a video. I want to try and put up a video make one this weekend, so I'll have that up for you guys Monday. I'm gonna shoot for Monday. Every Monday I'll put up a video. So this weekend I want to try and do that thing I said I was gonna show you guys the bike and go over with it with you guys. Some details on it. If anybody's looking to get into, if anybody's looking to get the CBR 300. So I'll have that up for you guys. And it is cold. My balls are fairly shriveled up right now. That's kind of pretty. But you guys don't need to know that shit. But it's cold, man. Those ladies out there, they're out here sitting there with a blanket. Yeah. I like to when I get on the highway and stuff, or if I gotta pass somebody, what I like about this, the bike is like, hang on, I'll show you guys. As soon as the light light turns green, because I can't go on red light. Oh, I could, but but I like to like talk like man, like this. Like I feel like a race car driver. Like but yeah, let me stop because I'm on the public road. There's kids. They need to go to school. I don't want to endanger their lives. My recklessness. But on the highway, I like to do that. Like when I'm getting on the highway, just tuck down and swing, wing. But now my bike don't sound like that. But you kind of know what I'm talking about. I'm like cold right now. My fingers are cold. My face is cold because I gotta open this wind visor because not the wind visor, I don't know, I guess wind visor, face shield, yes. Gotta open the face shield because it's getting a little foggy in here. So I gotta clear that out. And I'm just cold, freezing. I need somebody to warm me up. Gonna go to work and ask the ladies, the hot chicks there, like, hey, can you ladies warm me up? I'll take you for a ride on my motorcycle later, if you know what I mean. Giggity. Yo. This guy over here is always trying to sell, well, he's selling newspapers, but I know it's his job, but sometimes I feel bad, like we just ignore him, you know. He's all yelling at me when he sees my car. At the same time, every day. So it's like, hey, you got some money to buy that nice car. How about you buy some newspaper? But I don't read the newspaper. And I feel bad just ignoring him, that guy. I feel bad. He's trying to do his job and sell shit. And meanwhile, I'm trying to stay warm right here. But I don't know. I think maybe one day I'll just stop and buy a newspaper from him. It is what is it, like $1.50 or something? I don't know how much newspaper costs. I don't read that. Well, pretty much at work, and I just want to keep this. I don't know. I hate that shit, man. Sometimes, I'm still getting the hang of things on a motorcycle, but I sometimes put the bike into neutral sometimes, and I'm like, fuck this shit. I'm like, fuck. I hate this shit. Because I click it up, I go to shift it up, and I go to shift it up, and I so happen that I put it into fucking neutral. It only happens a couple times. Not a lot. But anyways, I'm at work, so you guys, I'm looking forward to putting this video up, and looking forward to putting up all the other videos. So hopefully you guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll do that, get all those other shit up for you guys. So hopefully, and I love coming to work at this time, even just around this time, because there's nobody here, nobody's at work at this time, only Mike team. Time is it? Yeah, no one's here. I like riding on the highway a little bit earlier too, because there's not as much traffic. I mean, even though when I do, there's not a lot of traffic on that particular highway. I don't know why, there's just nobody rides on that. But when there's an accident or something, fuck that shit. Because there's only 2 lanes. anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to motor vlogging with you guys some more. Alright guys, peace.